We all have dreams, ambitions, and goals. But what drives us to achieve them? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart and, I believe, relevant to all of us. We're talking about the hunger that drives us, the work we put in because of this hunger, and how this all ties back to our dreams and goals. You see, I've always believed that our work is fueled by a certain kind of hunger. A hunger for success, for achievement, for making our dreams a reality. And it's this hunger that keeps us going, that pushes us to set goals and strive to achieve them. I've experienced this hunger firsthand. It's what got me where I am today, and it's what continues to drive me forward. In this video, we're going to explore this concept of hunger, how it relates to our work, our goals, and our dreams. We'll discuss how to harness this hunger and use it as a tool to turn our dreams into reality. So, if you're ready to feed your hunger and chase your dreams, stick around. This is a journey you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Understanding the concept of hunger. So, let's start at the beginning. What do we mean when we talk about hunger? No, we're not talking about the physical sensation you feel when you skip lunch. In this context, hunger is a metaphor. It's a burning desire, a deep-seated drive to achieve something. It's that fire in your belly that pushes you to go the extra mile, to do what others won't, to reach for the stars. Hunger is the fuel that drives ambition. It's the catalyst that turns dreams into goals, and goals into achievements. I've felt this hunger many times in my life. It's what kept me up late studying for exams, what pushed me to start this channel, what drives me to keep creating content for all of you. But it's important to remember that hunger isn't a negative thing. It's not about being dissatisfied or unhappy with where you are. It's about knowing that you're capable of more and being willing to work for it. Hunger is about aspiration. It's about striving for growth, for improvement, for excellence. It's about not settling for good enough, but reaching for great. So, when I say I work because I'm hungry, I mean I work because I have a burning desire to achieve my goals, to realize my dreams, to become the best version of myself. And that's a hunger we should all strive to cultivate. The relationship between work and hunger. Now that we understand what we mean by hunger, let's explore how it relates to our work. You see, work and hunger have a symbiotic relationship. The more we work towards our goals, the hungrier we become for success. And the hungrier we are, the harder we work. It's a cycle that feeds on itself. Work fuels hunger, and hunger fuels work. I've experienced this cycle firsthand. When I started this channel, I was hungry for success. I worked hard, putting in long hours and pouring my heart and soul into every video. And you know what? The more I worked, the hungrier I became. I started setting bigger goals, dreaming bigger dreams. My hunger drove me to work even harder, and my work fueled my hunger even more. And that's the beauty of the work-hunger cycle. It's a self-perpetuating engine of growth and achievement. The more you feed it, the stronger it gets. So, when I say I work because I'm hungry, it's not just about the initial drive to succeed. It's about the ongoing cycle of work and hunger that pushes me to keep striving, keep growing, keep achieving. And that's a cycle we can all tap into. All it takes is a bit of hunger, a willingness to work, and the courage to keep pushing forward, no matter what. Setting goals based on hunger. We've talked about hunger and how it fuels our work. Now, let's discuss how this hunger leads us to set goals. You see, hunger is more than just a drive. It's a compass. It points us in the direction of our dreams and helps us set the goals that will get us there. When we're hungry for success, we don't just aimlessly work. We work with purpose, with direction. We set goals that align with our dreams, and then we work tirelessly to achieve them. I've set many goals in my life, all driven by my hunger. When I started this channel, my goal was to reach 1,000 subscribers. Then 10,000. Then 100,000. Each goal fueled by my hunger for success. But setting goals isn't just about picking a number or a milestone. It's about choosing a direction for your hunger, a path for your ambition. And the most effective goals are those that are meaningful to you. Goals that align with your dreams, that resonate with your values, that reflect your vision for your future. So, when I say I'm hungry because I have goals, I mean that my hunger has given me a direction, a purpose. It's led me to set goals that reflect my dreams and ambitions, and it's driven me to work tirelessly to achieve them. And that's something we can all do. All it takes is a bit of hunger, a bit of ambition, and the courage to set goals that truly reflect our dreams. Dreams as the foundation of goals. We've discussed hunger, work, and goal setting. Now, let's delve into the foundation of it all, our dreams. Dreams are the seeds from which our goals grow. They're the visions we have for our future, the aspirations we hold for ourselves. They're the source of our hunger and the destination of our journey. When we dream, we allow ourselves to imagine what could be. We give ourselves permission to aspire, to strive, to reach for the stars. I've had many dreams in my life. Dreams of success, of achievement, of making a difference. And each of these dreams has fueled my hunger, guided my work, and shaped my goals. But dreaming isn't just about imagining a better future. It's about believing in it. It's about having the courage to envision a future where your dreams have become your reality. And the most powerful dreams are those that resonate with who you are, with what you value, with what you aspire to be. These are the dreams that fuel your hunger, guide your work, and shape your goals. So, when I say my goals are based on my dreams, I mean that my dreams are the foundation of my journey. They're the source of my hunger, the guide for my work, and the blueprint for my goals. And that's something we can all tap into. All it takes is a bit of dreaming, a bit of ambition, and the courage to believe in a future where your dreams have become your reality. Turning dreams into reality. We've talked about dreams, hunger, work, and goals. Now, let's discuss the final step, turning those dreams into reality. Turning dreams into reality is the ultimate goal of our journey. It's the culmination of our hunger, our work, and our goals. It's the moment when our dreams stop being just dreams and become our lived experience. But how do we make this happen? How do we turn our dreams into reality? In my experience, it comes down to three things: persistence, patience, and passion. Persistence to keep working, even when things get tough. Patience to understand that great things take time. And passion to keep your hunger alive, to keep your dreams in sight. And remember, turning dreams into reality isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process. Each dream realized is a stepping stone to the next dream, the next goal, the next achievement. I've had the privilege of turning many of my dreams into reality. And each time, it's fueled my hunger for more, pushed me to set bigger goals, and inspired me to dream even bigger dreams. So, when I say my dreams will soon become my reality, I mean that I'm committed to the journey. I'm committed to feeding my hunger, doing the work, setting the goals, and making my dreams come true. And that's a journey we can all embark on. All it takes is a bit of hunger, a bit of work, a bit of dreaming, and the courage to believe that your dreams can become your reality. Conclusion. We've come a long way in this journey, exploring the concepts of hunger, work, goals, dreams, and turning dreams into reality. We've learned that hunger is a powerful drive that fuels our work and guides our goal setting. We've seen how our dreams form the foundation of our goals and how they can become our reality through persistence, patience, and passion. But remember, this journey is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about continuous growth, continuous striving, continuous dreaming. And the most beautiful part of this journey is that it's uniquely yours. Your hunger, your work, your goals, your dreams, they're all a reflection of who you are and who you aspire to be. So, I encourage you all to embrace your hunger. Feed it with your work, guide it with your goals, and let it lead you to your dreams. Because your dreams can, and will, become your reality. And finally, I'd love to hear about your dreams and goals. What are you hungry for? What are you working towards? Share your journey in the comments below.